I got another little update. Just got the timing covers off, which I've got to admit was probably the most difficult one I've ever encountered. Someone has decided to basically glue the bloody thing on. I'm assuming that's something like 574 sealant, but it was basically it had glued the cover on so it wouldn't come off. Look how far that chain tensioner is extended, and look at the idler arm. It's right on the roof of the chain box. These are the original chains, you can tell by the style. So that one wasn't long to go. Right hand side's not quite as extended, and for whatever reason this one wasn't glued on. This one was just put on with normal, just a gasket. And interestingly, the rockers on this side are correctly aligned. So it makes me think that somebody's worked on the left hand side of the engine but not the right hand side of the engine, because again all these rockers are correctly aligned, or all the rocker shafts are correctly aligned I should say, whereas all these ones were incorrectly aligned where they're recessed too far in, and yeah, it's all just wrong. So anyway, thought I'd give that little update.